Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'd like to show you around a SEAT Arona that's just arrived with us in stock, and this one being a 2023 top of the range Xperience Luxe manual. Now this one is finished in the magnetic tech grey with the contrasting black roof, so we're going to give you a short presentation to show you the car and its condition. Now moving inside, you have this lovely big navigation screen, you have the micro suede and leather heated front seats, so with the weather that we've been experiencing recently, lovely if you do suffer a little bit with a back complaint. Height adjustment on both seats, and the same micro suede and leather in the rear, so easy to keep clean. There's seating for 3 people in the rear, so 5 in total. You also have ISOFIX fitments as well. You've got these lovely machine finished alloy wheels, and this is the only model in the range that comes as standard with a reversing camera. Now all of the Aronas have this clever little split floor, so if I can do this one-handed whilst holding the phone, I can show you, you can lift it up and it sits on a little ledge there. So if you have a 4-legged friend, it makes for getting them in and out that little bit easier. Those rear seats have a 60-40 split, and that does mean that when you fold the seats down, you have a virtually flat entrance right the way through. Now you also have silver roof bars, which aren't just for show. They are usable with a set of cross bars that will go on there as well. And then when we come inside, you have a push button start, a 6-speed manual gearbox, say parking sensors on the front, the back and the sides, as well as your camera, climate control, and this lovely big media screen. This model also benefits from adaptive cruise control. It also has what's called roadside recognition, and also tells you when you're speeding. Now hopefully this short video has given you a good idea as to the car and its condition. So this one is just over 2 years old and has the full LED headlights, so would still come with 12 months of SEAT's 3-year manufacturer's warranty. So if you're looking for a very low mileage, 10,000 miles, that's all this one has covered, SEAT Arona, top of the range, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.